What up, y'all? It's your boy E, back again with another video, and today we're gonna try out something a little different. We got my brother, the Perm Boy, with us.
What's up?
As you can see, he be having that shit on. How much is the shoes?
About 5,000.
5,000. You got the full kit, and then you got the Go Yard. How much is that?
Go Yard like a band.
How much is the Van Cleese?
Three bands.
So he got right around 10 racks on him. But we're gonna go in there. What are we gonna do? You gonna cash out 10 racks?
Yeah, at Request at Perimeter Mall in Atlanta.
So what are you buying? You buying inventory for your resale business?
Yeah.
What do they have in there for 10 racks? What are you getting?
CPFM Dunks, some Travis's, and some Off-Whites.
All right, cool. We about to go sneaker shopping with the Perm Boy, and we're gonna see him loading up on inventory so he could chop it up, break it down, and double it up. Let's go check it out. We're shooting the OnlyFans today.
Yeah.
It's getting wild. What's up, man?
What's going on? How you doing today?
What's your name?
Kai?
My brother told me he cashing out, Perm Boy.
Yeah.
Can we see we came here to document the transaction. No feds.
It's like a brothel or something like that.
FBI, open up! They be having the shit in here, guys. This is like a candy store for like trappers and scammers.
You gotta take a look around.
Let's do it. Wow, how much are these Air Yeezys, bro?
Like 15,000.
15,000? Who is spending $15,000 on a pair of shoes?
That guy?
I don't see anybody over there. What about these, the Dior ones? How much are these?
8,000, 9,000. Great shoe.
If I had 8,000, I'd buy those. What is the most hype shoe that you guys have in here that you think is the best?
Well, between these two, right?
Really? Why this one? This one looks so ugly.
It's very different. Like, it's one of those shoes you wouldn't really wear, but you like looking at it.
And how much is this?
15,000 also.
15,000. And how much is this one?
Around the same price. You can get some as low as like 8,000.
This is like on everybody's little kid's wall of like grail list. How do you source them?
You gotta pay high. That'd be the #1 payer in the city.
So you just pay from people that somehow get them from Louis Vuitton? That's the model?
Yeah, for the most part. We wouldn't buy none of this if it didn't have like the receipt or anything to go with it, just because the fakes are so perfect to it.
And what about these bags here too? Are these all resale bags, or are you buying these and you're just getting them for a low steal?
All of these bags are gonna be resale. We didn't get any of these here for retail.
How much are these bags?
That one's reversible. That one's like $3,250. That one's like $4,500.
Do you have any chrome hearts? Oh, chrome jeans. How much are chrome jeans?
Cheapest one over here is probably like $6,500
$6,500 for some jeans.
with crosses.
What do you say to the people that are like, yo, these are just Levi's with fucking sewn in crosses?
My pants are cooler.
For $6,500, you can have Levi's with sewn in crosses that are cooler. What is retail on this?
Retail on something like this one's like $3,800. Retail on these were like $7,000 now.
If it's $3,800, what do you buy it for?
I think that pair we paid like $5,500 for.
$3,800, you pay $5,500, and then how much do you sell them for?
65.
And who is the clientele that's paying $6,500 for Levi's with crosses on it?
Bro, I'm so serious when I say this. Like Troy's.
The Perm Boys with mommy and daddy got a lot of money.
Yes.
What about chrome jewelry? How much are these? And why is chrome jewelry such a thing? Like, he's fucking all chromed out.
They don't look like rock stars.
And how much is this right here?
Each one's like $5,500.
So one of these chains is $5,500?
Yeah. That one,
And what
that
is it
one.
made out of? Is it like gold, titanium, meteorite?
0.925 silver.
It's silver. And you're just essentially just buying the name of Chrome Hearts.
Yeah, but it looks cool. You find people who really like care about this stuff. This is like a really small group of people. Like people like Chrome Hearts for like the clothing, but this stuff is the more.
Like the real fans.
Yeah.
Why don't you have a store? Why isn't it Troy's Boutique? Why is it Request Boutique?
I can't afford it.
Which this guy has freaking a teacher's salary on him right now, talking about he can't afford it. I see you have like the denim tiers. How do you guys source the denim tiers?
Websites.
Websites. Oh, you the one back there with the bots and shit.
Nah, we don't move that fast.
But the bots do. All right, Troy, let's look at the transaction. This is the big load.
This is a Troy transaction.
Troy transaction. How many times does Troy come in here and have a transaction?
I'd say anywhere between like 35 times a week.
A week. Damn, this is a freaking flyer. Troy, what do? You buy these and you resell them yourself?
Yeah, through Instagram.
Why do you give first dibs to Troy on this? Because he cashes out, or he has big volume, or like how's that relationship?
Takes care of me, I gotta take care of him.
So like this shoe right here, what was the breakdown on this?
This was from like a week ago, I don't even remember.
Oh, you guys are in business, you guys don't know the numbers, or they're just capping and they just don't want to tell you guys the free game. They want you guys to buy the ebook. Buy the ebook, there's a paywall, here's the Patreon. How much you want for these, Troy?
For you, 1,400.
I'm too broke for that.
You want a Travis?
Nah, I'm not all black toes shoot energy guy. I'm a nice guy. I don't have goons. How much was this?
3,000?
3,000. That's how much he paid for it?
Yeah.
And how much did you source these for?
I think we got it for around, I can't remember. I think we gave him, I think it was either like 20, it was anywhere between like 20, 25, 20 something.
He gets dementia whenever I ask him about the price. And what do these sell for on StockX?
A brand new pair will go for anywhere of like 5,500 and up.
Why are you selling it so cheap to him?
We got it for a good deal.
So why do the guys sell it here? If it's like 5,000, why does he sell it here for like
That's for a brand new
24 or
pair.
25.
That one's used.
Why do they sell it? They just need money. The parlay didn't hit, or what's the?
The parlay didn't. Nah, he told me, he was like, I don't really wear them anymore.
So you bought this for 3,000. How much will you sell these for?
I sold it for 3,400.
You should make $400. Who's the one that bought this? A trust fund baby?
No, another seller.
How much of the business is selling to other sellers, and how much of it is selling to like the scammers, the rappers, and the trust fund babies?
I would say 70% to other sellers, 30% to just, yeah.
So it's still a B2B play. That's
Yeah.
crazy. So what is the market on these? How much are these?
About like 800.
And how much did you pay for it?
9.5, you got it for 700.
Well, you'll sell it for $8 and just make $100.
Yeah.
So this is what, a $10,000 cash out? You got what, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shoes. It's crazy. What's up with this? This looks like a goddamn like. How much is this?
450.
Who's paying $450 for this shoe? This looks like goddamn like trick or treat shoe.
It says trick or treat.
can.
Look.
It dead ass says trick or treat, guys. Why are kids paying $450 for the shoe?
So when the shoe released, it released in 2019. So it's hard to get in the first place, and they came out during Halloween in 2019. That's the only time they released.
This is supposed to be like cool. Like if you wear this, you're cool.
Depending on what you put on with it, yeah.
Would you wear it?
Oh, for sure.
You putting
I don't
this
even care-
on?
I don't even care if it's not Halloween. I'm wearing it.
I'm
Look
not.
at it. Look.
Bro,
It's a pumpkin face.
That looks like my 4-year-old kid would get some shoes from like Walmart.
You would put it on. Oh my God, there's no one over there.
Yeah, exactly. Nobody would put it on.
You gotta get these.
Yeah, see, these I can understand why somebody would. I could see why somebody would put this on. Oh my God, the bag. How much is the bag? Like $500 for this bag.
People actually pay 200 just for the bag.
To do what with it?
I
They
don't
put
know.
money in
Just
it.
put shit
They
in
put their
it.
accessories.
Why don't they put the money in the bank?
They don't want to.
Yeah, this I could see why somebody would pay for 3,000. You know, like if you're like a rapper, an artist, or like if you're just fucking just so rich, you could just shit on everybody. You know?
The tag.
Oh wow, the tag. How much is this?
People don't really buy that type of stuff.
So you put it on the shoe, or you put it on like your keychain or something?
Keychain, luggage, whatever you want to.
How much of the shoe is like based around like the entire package? Like, I guess this is like selling for so much because it's like tells a whole story, right? How many shoes are like that?
A lot of them. Like the Travis Scotts come with this bandana on each of the shoe. Of course, people won't pay separately for the bandana, but it comes with it. It makes it special.
It just makes the story put together. That's interesting. Do you do the buying for request?
Yeah, a lot of us do. There's around 3 or 4 of us that do all the buying. We'll look at the shoe, depending on, because we rarely buy used shoes. We only buy brand new. But if I know any of my boys need it, I'll buy it.
What makes a good buyer?
Being able to tell the shoe's authentic, being able to take care of the client, giving them a good price, at the same time getting a good price so we can sell it.
Who are the clientels that are coming in and sell it? Is it like resellers, or is it like somebody just I'm hurt, I need money, or like I'm sick of the shoe? Like who's the seller usually?
You said all of them basically, yeah. Someone either needs it for either paying something, paying someone else. It'll be a seller that's like, dude, I've had these for a while. I just want to sell them. I gotta get them gone. They just sell it, either store credit or cash.
So like this shoe, its market value is 800. You sell it for 7. How much did you buy it for?
Around like 500-600.
So what's the rule of thumb when you're buying? Like from the market value, is it a percentage off? Is it a number, or what's the rule when you're buying stuff?
It's just gotta be a reasonable number. We don't do the first offer, so we'll be like, hey, how much do you have in mind for these? They'll be like, well, honestly, I just want like a lost and found Chicago.
Your boss told you that never to give out the first offer?
No, that's been our policy since day one.
I'm gonna tell you guys a true story. So my Jewish landlord, right? One time I was negotiating the rate and I kept trying to get him to give me the rate, right? And he told me some shit that stuck with me for the rest of my life. He said, never negotiate with yourself. AKA meaning, don't ever throw the first offer. Cause the guy here, he might be so hurt that he just might want fucking $200 for a shoe that's selling for 8. You never know. Troy, how do you feel about the transaction?
It was good. I'm a little scared about this box.
It's from Panda Buy?
Maybe.
That's crazy. Oh, you didn't even show them the pants yet. Show them the pants.
Oh, guess what? This guy said Denim Tears is whack. Wait till he pulls out.
For me though. It's not.
Oh my god, this guy cut to the clip 5 minutes ago. He just said Denim Tears is burnt. How do you feel about Denim Tears? Is it burnt or is it still going?
Yeah, it's burnt.
It's burnt.
Yeah.
You would not be seen wearing Denim Tears.
Yeah, not anymore. I used to. So it's like jeans with like little crystals on the.
So this is the rhinestone one?
Yeah.
So what's different about this? Is the bedazzled?
Yeah, that's the only difference.
And how much is this?
350.
That one,
50?
10,000.
10,000.
But for you, you get it for 350.
Hey, if you wanted, I would have just got you regular ones and I would have bedazzled them myself for you.
That's Superline.
That's Superline. No, we don't do that. We don't sell fakes. Damn, where does shit come from?
Oh, you got rich? Oh, it's over for you. You're on
This,
camera.
hey, this like when I was selling weed, this like the packs in the mail for real, dog. Damn.
Too fly himself.
Oh, you got it direct from the source. I'm not fly. How much are these?
But we sell them for $350. I don't know how much we get them for though.
Dementia, guys. He got dementia. What is it about this brand that people like?
It's good sweats. Go with everything. The quality of them, the quality of the letters on them as well.
What does vertebrae even mean?
I have no
don't know.
idea.
Do you think when people wear the clothes, they know what it means, or it's just they just putting it on?
Some people be having their product knowledge on some clothes, but some people just like how it looks on other people and stuff like that. They be getting inspired by other fits, so you know how that goes.
Is this all vertebrae right here?
I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I don't be knowing. I just be cracking the boxes open and see what's in there. Pretty sure most of it is convert some other stuff that we be getting to. I just open a Miri pack.
That's a great job to have. You just open packs every day. You just don't know what you're getting. So what do you guys do when the packs come in? Do you input them into the system, or how does that work?
Yeah, we just input them in and get some posts up, you know, Instagram posts, videos.
What system do you do into this? Shopify? What do you guys use? What POS?
We use Shopify.
So when this comes in, what is your job? You count out how many larges there are, how many mediums?
Yeah, basically by size and quantities, and then we just input them in, do some marketing, little skits and stuff like that on Instagram Reels, you know.
Do you barcode these, or how do you do it?
Yeah, we have like a barcode system, pricing, the size, you know, make it easy for the customer to look at.
So when you input it, once they get up to the register, they just scan it, and then the product and the SKU
we scan
number.
it ourselves to see what size we have for them, and then we can bring them to the fitting room, make them try it on and stuff.
How much of the stuff that you guys get in is like direct from like the designer, and how much of it is like resale?
That question I do not know.
Beyond your pay grade.
That's
Dementia.
That's up to the sourcing team.
You got dementia. So you guys have a whole team for sourcing.
Yeah.
That's so interesting. Guys, that's gonna wrap it up. This is the end of the video. I literally asked every single question you could ever have, and I tried to get them to answer, but some of them, you know, ooh, they lost their mind, they got dementia, so it is what it is. If you guys like videos like this, spam the chat. If you want my brother in here more often, Perm Brother, let us know. Perm Brother, yeah, Perm Brother.
Huh? Wait, what?
Perm Brother.
Dementia's everywhere. Everyone's forgetting everything.
Everyone has dementia in this building now. We've been shooting for too long. You know we stay giving y'all? Free game. Damn, bro, that is rich. I would help you with the bags, but I think it's better for the video for you to walk out like this.
All right.
Appreciate it, bro.
Thank you guys. Appreciate y'all.